We all know Acumatica is powerful, right? I mean, it's got a ton of features out of the box. But sometimes
Okay.
you hit a wall trying to track something really specific about your customers.
Yeah,
Something that just doesn't have a dedicated field in the system.
exactly. That's a pain point we hear about a lot. Businesses need that granular level of detail, but the standard setup just doesn't always cut it.
And it's a problem because then your reporting and analysis are limited.
For sure. You can't get the full picture.
So to dive into this today, we have Dipak. He's a senior software engineer at Tiana Solutions,
Right.
and he's got over 4 years of experience with Acumatica customization. That's everything from basic screen tweaks to complex integration. Let's get down to brass tacks. Can you walk us through a real-world example of this data gap problem?
Sure. Let's say you're trying to keep track of which bank each of your customers uses. Now, that's not something you'll find as a standard field on the Acumatica customer screen.
Right.
And without that info, it really ties your hands. You can't segment customers for targeted marketing based on their bank.
I see.
You can't analyze any potential risk factors associated with specific banks. And you could be missing out on valuable insights into customer behavior based on their banking choices.
Gotcha. So basically, you're flying blind in a lot of ways.
Pretty much.
So how does Acumatica handle this? What's the fix when you run into this kind of data roadblock?
Well, Acumatica is all about customization.
Okay.
You can actually create what are called custom attributes. Think of them like user-defined fields.
Yeah.
And you can integrate these seamlessly into your customer screen. You can have text fields, checkboxes, drop-down lists, even selectors that link to other Acumatica modules. The possibilities are really pretty extensive.
So in our bank example, you could create a custom field called Customer Bank and just pop it right onto that customer screen.
Exactly. And it's not just data entry. These custom fields become part of your Acumatica database. So you can filter, sort, and report on that information however you need.
Oh, wow. So you could generate a report showing customer distribution by bank, for example.
Exactly. Or identify trends based on banking institution.
That's huge for data analysis.
It is.
But I'm guessing some folks might be a little intimidated by the technical side of setting up these custom fields.
Oh, yeah. I can see that. It does require some expertise.
What would you say to those who are hesitant?
I'd say that's where a company like Tiana Solutions comes in.
Okay.
We specialize in helping businesses really tap into the full power of Acumatica, and that includes creating and implementing these tailored solutions.
So for our listeners who are thinking, hey, that's my problem, what's their first step?
I'd encourage them to reach out to us at Tiana Solutions.
Okay.
We can take a look at their specific needs, discuss what customization options would work best for them, and help them streamline their Acumatica system.
To capture that crucial data they're missing. And I'm betting that streamlined data collection translates into much more efficient and insightful reporting,
You got it.
ultimately leading to better business decisions.
100%.
It's all about making smarter choices.
Yeah.
Listeners, remember, if you're hitting those data limitations in your Acumatica system, don't hesitate to reach out to Tiana Solutions. They can help you unlock your system's full potential and turn those data gaps into actionable insights. Their number is 678-910-2774.
Give us a call. We're happy to help.
Thanks again for joining us. Until next time, happy customizing.
See you later.